I'm attorney Alexia Tomlinson from Victim Rights Law Center, and this video will provide a basic explanation of the difference between legal advice and legal information as part of our hands-on advocacy series. Remember that the definition of legal advice varies by state and jurisdiction. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to our TA team for individual help. Survivors rely on advocates to help walk them through the legal system and legal processes. Building a trusting relationship often means a survivor will turn to their advocate with questions like, should I apply for a civil protection order? Or, what should I say if the judge asks me what happened? It's important to remember that advocates cannot provide legal advice, but you can still help by providing meaningful assistance and support to survivors. What is legal advice? Legal advice is rarely defined in law, and jurisdictions often lean toward a you know it when you see it approach. As a general rule, people are providing legal advice when they use their education and experience to interpret the law and then apply it to specific factual situations. As an example, you're working with a married survivor looking to keep their abusive spouse away from the family home. You know from experience in your jurisdiction that since they have already filed for divorce, they should seek a protection order from the family court. But they come to you asking about filing for a civil protection order. To make sure you are only providing legal information, you should provide them with information about all types of protective orders and allow them to choose which works best for their situation. You might say, in our jurisdiction, there are 3 types of protective orders: a sexual assault protection order, a domestic violence protection order, and a family court protection order. A sexual assault protection order protects you from someone with whom you don't have an intimate relationship. A domestic violence protection order protects you from a spouse or intimate partner when there aren't custody or divorce proceedings ongoing. A family court protection order protects you when there are ongoing proceedings. Which do you think is the best fit for your circumstances? As an advocate, you should be prepared for survivors to ask for legal advice. It can be helpful to have resources with details about a survivor's legal options, as well as a robust referral network to provide legal assistance that you or your organization cannot provide. Keep in mind, there are many ways advocates provide meaningful assistance that do not constitute legal advice. Advocates provide vital emotional and practical support to survivors through information about court processes, review of public case information, and court accompaniment. It's important to remind your clients that this is your role. Be clear and reiterate that you can't provide legal advice when necessary. The line between legal advice and legal information can be hard to walk, but VRLC is here to help. This video is part of a series created under our Legal Education and Advocacy project, which provides technical support and training to legal advocates who receive or are eligible to receive funding from the Office on Violence Against Women. If you have any questions about the information shared in this video, or are looking for support in your role as a victim advocate, please contact us at ta@victimrights.org or visit our website at www.victimrights.org.